Let's see if we can bring this thing back to life.
There's a lot of rust in here.
Completely seized. The sand has gotten into every single gear and joint. The chassis is intact. The suspension is salvageable, but the entire drivetrain and engine block have to be pulled out completely. Time to get to work. Time to see what's under all this dirt and rust.
Let's see what's under here.
She is finally down to bare metal. We've hit bare metal. The real lifting starts now. Hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Let's get it out. Let's see if we can get this monster out of here.
Look at the size of this block. It weighs literally tons. The pistons inside are completely frozen. We have to strip it down to the bare block.
The ultrasonic cleaner boils the grease. It's the only way to save these complex gears. The frame has to be spotless. Before we start welding patches, any rust left behind is a weak point. Pressing in new bearings and bushings is the best part of the rebuild. The tolerances are incredibly tight. These gears have to line up, or the whole thing will tear apart.
The heart is back in the monster. Getting it perfectly aligned on the mounts takes absolute precision. Perfect leak-proof seal.
The heart of the Leviathan beats again. If you're as hyped as I am right now, smash that like button, share this with a gearhead, and let me know if There she is, perfectly smooth bare metal canvas. Applying the primer takes a steady hand,
Looking good.
Wet sanding the primer removes any tiny imperfections. We need a glass-like base before we spray the heavy black top coat.
Let's mix this liquid obsidian.
Now we are laying down that final glossy gunmetal black. This gunmetal black is incredible. It looks wet even when it dries. The Leviathan is coming back to life. Peeling back the tape reveals clean lines. Copper on black gives a premium look. Applying this clear coat really brings out the depth of the black. It makes it look like a museum piece.
The devil is in the details. Hand painting these fangs gives the skull that brutal, warlord character.
Come on, big boy. Just a little more.
Looking good.
Dressing these massive tires makes the whole build pop. The deep black rubber against the gunmetal armor looks incredible. The windshields fit deep inside the eye sockets. We are using bulletproof grade polycarbonate to match the Warlord aesthetic.
Let's mount this massive orange spotlight. I'll drive these mounting screws in tight. Now we snap the power wires. Let's see if the Warlord wakes up. Flipping the main power now. Every single joint on this massive steering system needs to be packed with high-pressure grease. It has to handle incredible forces. Flawless. Every inch of it. The Leviathan Warlord is fully rebuilt. This was the biggest build we've ever done. Hit that subscribe button. Time to take it outside.
The power in this machine is absolutely terrifying. Let's see what the Warlord can do. This beast commands absolute respect.
Even covered in desert dust, this gunmetal black paint looks incredible. The transformation from a rusted corpse to this is unbelievable.
She's finally ready for the desert.
She is finally ready.
Night driving in this beast feels like piloting a spaceship. The visibility with these custom LEDs is insane. Nothing stops the Warlord. Deep sand, mud, it doesn't matter. The torque is completely relentless. She's finally ready. This paint job is flawless.
She's cleaned up, locked down, and ready for whatever job comes next. Restoring this truck was the hardest thing we've ever done.
Rest well, Warlord.
These tools saved a monster from turning to dust. We brought the Warlord back from the dead.
That's it. We finished the Leviathan Warlord. If you loved watching us bring it back, smash that subscribe button. See you on the next build. Take care.